Imagine peering deep into the cosmos, 124 light-years from Earth, at a star known as K2-18. Around this star orbits a planet unlike anything we've encountered before, K2-18b. It's over 8 times the size of Earth, a Hyson planet with conditions that could potentially support life. Recently, scientists made discoveries about K2-18b that might bring us closer to answering one of humanity's biggest questions: are we alone in the universe? Using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, researchers have detected an intriguing chemical in this distant planet's atmosphere. Dimethyl sulfide, or DMS for short. What's remarkable about this finding? On Earth, DMS is only produced by living organisms, primarily tiny microorganisms that thrive in our oceans. It's a substance that at least here exists as a product of life, but could the same be true for K2-18b? While the detection of DMS is exciting, it's far from conclusive. The telescope's data offers only a hint. More evidence is needed before we can truly connect this chemical to alien life. But there's another discovery that makes K2-18b even more fascinating: signs of liquid water in its atmosphere. Water, so simple yet so vital, is one of the key ingredients for life as we know it. On K2-18b, it seems to gather in vapor form, suggesting there might be oceans or seas beneath the planet's clouds. Now, here's where things get thrilling. K2-18b isn't just a ball of rock or gas. It exists in what scientists call the habitable zone of its star, the region where temperatures are just right for water to exist in its liquid form. Combine that with the possibility of life-linked chemicals, and K2-18b becomes a place worth watching closely. But before we jump to conclusions, there's some reality to consider. The James Webb Space Telescope gives us unprecedented clarity, yet the signals from K2-18b are still faint and difficult to interpret. DMS might not come from living organisms there. It could have an entirely different, non-biological explanation. And even if K2-18b does have water, its environment may be far too harsh or alien to sustain life as we understand it. Still, these findings represent a monumental step forward in the search for extraterrestrial life. They're proof that worlds beyond Earth could host the right conditions for biology to emerge. So the big question remains: what's waiting on K2-18b? Maybe nothing, a barren world adrift in space, or maybe something extraordinary. Years of study lie ahead, but one thing is certain: discoveries like this remind us how vast, mysterious, and full of possibilities the universe truly is. What do you think? Could life be thriving on K2-18b, just waiting for us to uncover its secrets?